Smart control for a smart home. The smart socket works with a Wi-Fi connection and doesn't need a hub, making it easy to install and quick to connect. Download the Simply Conserve app to your phone and set up your account with the simple registration process. Now, plug the smart socket into your chosen outlet and ensure the LED indicator light turns on. Following the prompts in the Simply Conserve app, begin Easy Mode Pairing. Turn the smart socket off by holding down the power button. Then turn it back on until the LED indicator light begins blinking rapidly, which means it's ready to pair with the Simply Conserve app. You may need to turn it on and off a couple times until your device is ready to pair. After you enter your Wi-Fi information, the app will confirm a successful connection with your device. You are now ready to use your smart socket to save energy and stay connected to your home. Plug in any device or appliance to your smart socket and set a schedule, enable a timer, use voice control, and more from anywhere in the world.